Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with a Cap. Take out your yellow color book. Today we will study Chapter 9 Square. Chapter 9 Square from Art and Activity Skill Book. From Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your yellow and orange color book. Take out your yellow and orange color book. Fast. Take out your book. What is this? What is this? This is square. This is square. What is this? This is book and this is in square shape. This is in square shape. This is in square shape. Now, take out your pink color. Take out your pink color, okay? As you know, ma'am don't have pink color. That's why I am taking purple color, okay? But you will take pink color. I am taking purple color. You will take pink color. And start doing with me. I'm taking purple color because I don't have pink color. You will take your pink color, okay? Left, right. Do it properly. Do it properly and neatly, okay? Properly and neatly. What is this? This is square. This is square. Do it properly and neatly. I hope you all are enjoying. Fill the gaps. All of you are doing. Fill the gaps. Again tell me, which shape is this? This is square. Fill the gaps. Do it neatly. Do it neatly and properly. All of you fill the gaps. Complete it with me. Fill the gaps. Do it fast. This is square. This is square. I hope you all have done this. I hope you enjoyed. Happy learning. See you in the next class.